Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA, where we answer all of your questions to do with singing. My name is Peter Vox, and I'm the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. We have numerous studios here with male and female teachers, so if you or someone that you know needs singing lessons, please check out the links below. We also give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week, and if face-to-face singing lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. You like this channel, thumbs up, click like and subscribe, share with your friends. If you have a question, please put it in the comments below. Excuse me for that. Delayed, excuse me. If it's a good question, I will make a video and possibly mention your lovely name in the video. Pardon me, a little bit phlegmy here today. So, without any further ado, the next segment, or the next question is, how do I expand or sing higher in my falsetto? This is leading off from the last video that I just did, which is how to sing louder in your true voice or chest voice. Again, I'm just going to show you and reiterate the two different voices. True voice, art, falsetto, wee. You can hear the difference between the both of them. So we are going to just focus on expanding your falsetto range. So I'm going to give you a scale. I'm going to turn my heater off because it's getting a little bit hot in here. Pardon me. Just a tip. It's not a good idea to clear your throat like that if you are phlegmy. Try to have some water. I've got water here as well too. But it's a good idea. Tip here. Clearing your throat. The best way to clear it is to suck your lower lip. And swallow 4 or 5 times. That takes a lot of time, so that's why I'm not doing it here now. It's quicker just to do that. But it's not really that good for your vocal health to continually is a friend of mine, to continually clear your vocal cords by rubbing them together like that aggressively. Without any further ado, let's get stuck into the next segment. We're going to expand your range higher in falsetto. So we're going to start down low with the guys. Now, do this in false voice. Don't do it in true voice. Okay, so we're going to start about here. So have a listen to me, guys. Let's hit the first note. Wee. Do that, guys and girls. Let's do it. I'm going to do it again. So it's got to be in false voice. Smile, the note to your ears doesn't need to be loud. Wee! Your turn. Okay, now we're going to come down 3 notes. Real simple. Wee! Be a little bit louder on the first note, quieter on the last note. Your turn. We'll go down 1 more, 2 more for the guys. Wee! Because Ed Sheeran sings down here. Make sure it's in false voice. Don't do it wee. That's true voice. I want it wee. Lightly and angelically. So you should be feeling those sounds in your soft palate. If you don't know where your soft palate is, put the finger to the roof of your mouth. That's hard palate. Roll it back until it goes to soft. That's soft palate. You should be feeling the vibration between your soft palate and the uvula. As we go up very high, you want to feel the vibration actually in your ear canals, particularly on the first note. So let's start there. We're going to keep on going up higher. Guys and girls, sing it quietly. Guys, a little bit louder, but this is low falsetto for guys as well too. I'll do it. Wee! Your turn. All false voice. Don't do it in true voice. Do it in false voice. Wee! Your turn. Big smile now, guys. Smile the sound into your ears. A little bit louder, tighten with your stomach. Wee! Wee! Now, guys, if this is getting too high, exit, because this could be the end of your falsetto range around here. Girls, you should be able to do a couple more. But again, if it's hurting your voice too high, please exit, okay? Let the sounds resonate higher in your head when we're doing this. Feel it in your head. If you can't feel it, imagine it there, okay? I'm going to do this one. Whee! Again, I'm sliding up, slide up. So you slide up to the note and then come back down. Watch your pitch. Make sure we're singing these in key. I'll do it again. Whee! do two more for the girls. Girls by yourself. And one more for the girls. And again. Okay, so that's how to expand your higher range. Is just try to do that and go as high as you can with that particular scale. Now, I've gone up pretty high there. Now, that's about as high as most singers use in contemporary falsetto. There are some people that sing, whistle register go a lot higher. But with the contemporary singers, it's about as high as we generally go. So that's why I've only gone up to the F sharp there. Okay, so that is how you expand your higher range in falsetto. Again, at Vox Singing Academy, we teach all of these techniques and hundreds and thousands of, well, not hundreds of thousands, but hundreds of other different techniques as well too. And that's what we specialize in. That's what we're experts in. We're expert singing teachers and coaches. So this is a basic exercise that we teach most of our students. Again, if you like this channel, please click like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. If you have a question, put it in the comments below. If we could help you or someone that you know with the singing, check out the links below. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne with male and female teachers. We also give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. And if face-to-face singing lessons aren't your thing, check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course. All in the links below. That wraps it up. I hope you liked it. If you do, click like and subscribe. But most importantly, live each day as if it's live each day as if it's your last. Be good to everyone that you meet. Enjoy your singing and your music. And until the next video, peace and much love and falsetto.